So I don't know how great this story is going to help anybody in any way, but I have to say, okay, I learned a tough lesson through experience. Being kind is good, but be careful. Okay, I hired a junior in my office, in my legal office, to look after my day-to-day activity and go to the court offices in my absence because I was busy with some other work, and I was not available physically in my office for a Monday to Friday. Saturday, I used to come to the office to talk to the clients, see what is happening and everything. And but when I appointed a junior, they showed very dedicated and everything. They wanted to learn, that kind of enthusiasm they showed, but eventually it fades. And this particular junior got another friend after a few months, saying that she's good. I never wanted, but being supportive to each other, I said fine. But once that junior came, the things became worse. They were always on the phone, even after telling them, but I was not very strict. They took me for granted. Once I left the retainership, started concentrating in my office. The one junior left because she doesn't want that supervision of the senior. The other junior said, I will wait. So, but this junior was doing a lot of trips to the courts and offices, not doing the work for several months. I started getting complaints from the clients saying your work is not happening. My name was getting affected. So I said to her, why this is not happening? She said, the clerk is not there, the judge is not there. So I said, okay, fine. I also was a junior, so I knew the difficulty. So I told her that, I never told her. So suddenly I went to these departments and I told her that, I will check myself. So the clerk said, you know what? The file was ready. The junior said the file was not ready. It was actually ready for a few months back. So I was inquiring with other work also which was pending, the same situation. So this girl was just going, coming, or not even inquiring what was happening. So I made up my mind that I have to leave this girl, remove this girl from the office. So started questioning her, which she did not like. Correct. So she said, you know what, ma'am, I'm leaving because. So I said, fine, leave, put everything in place and everything, you leave. She was so careless with the office also. She could not even water the plant at the entrance of the door. I paid her the last month expenses and 15 days ka expenses. She started, ma'am, you have to pay me the stipend for the entire month. I said, you never worked, the entire month. 15 days ka I will pay, deducting the days you took leave. She was so aggressive, so angry, big WhatsApp messages. I said, fine. I will just pay the days you worked. Thank you so much. So whenever you appoint a junior, be careful, set your boundaries first.